Have you ever noticed how saving money feels harder than ever, even though we live in a world full of tools, apps, and financial advice? The truth is, in 2025, saving money isn't just about cutting back on small luxuries. It's about being smarter, more strategic, and more intentional with your finances. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. Welcome back to USA Finance Hub, where we break down money in ways that actually work for everyday Americans. If you want financial freedom, this is the place to be. Let's start with a simple truth. Financial freedom doesn't come from one big win. It's the result of consistent, small, and smart decisions over time. That means anyone can achieve it, no matter where they're starting from. You don't need to earn six figures to take control of your money, you just need the right strategies. And in this video, we're going to walk through the smartest saving strategies for 2025, plus actionable tips you can put into practice today. The first strategy is automation. Too many people rely on willpower to save money, and willpower fails when life gets busy. That's why the wealthiest Americans automate their savings. If your paycheck hits your account on Friday, set up an automatic transfer on Saturday morning that moves a percentage straight into a high-yield savings account. Think of it like paying your future self first. You'll be surprised at how fast your money grows when you don't even give yourself the chance to spend it. Now, let's talk about the power of high-yield savings accounts. In 2025, interest rates are much higher than they were just a few years ago. Traditional banks might give you 0.1% on your savings, while online banks and credit unions are offering anywhere between 4% to 5%. That's free money just for keeping your cash in the right place. If you haven't already, open a high-yield savings account and move your emergency fund there. That simple shift can add hundreds of dollars to your savings every year, without you lifting a finger. Another smart strategy is mindful budgeting. But I'm not talking about the old school write down every penny budget. That feels overwhelming, and most people quit after a few weeks. Instead, try a 50-30-20 system. It's simple. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt payoff. This gives you structure without taking away all your flexibility. The best part? You can set this up in most budgeting apps that link directly to your bank account. Once you see your spending laid out clearly, it becomes easier to adjust and redirect extra money into savings. Let's move to everyday savings that really add up. Groceries are one of the biggest expenses for American families. Prices keep rising, but you can still save without sacrificing quality. One powerful trick is meal planning. Instead of shopping randomly, plan your meals around what's on sale that week. Combine that with cashback apps like Ibotta or Rakuten, and suddenly your weekly grocery bill could drop by $30, $40, or even $50. Over a year, that's thousands of dollars saved just by being intentional. Another area where Americans overspend is subscriptions. Think about it. Streaming services, gym memberships, apps you forgot you even signed up for. The average person spends over $200 a month on subscriptions. That's more than $2,400 a year. Go through your bank statement, cancel what you don't use, and keep only the services that really matter. And here's a pro tip. If you want to keep a subscription, try negotiating. Many companies will offer you a discount if you click cancel and wait for the retention offer. That little trick can cut your costs in half. Now, let's talk about debt. You can't truly save money if you're drowning in high-interest debt. Credit card interest in 2025 is averaging over 20%. That means if you're carrying a balance, your money is working against you. The smartest move is to prioritize paying off that debt while still saving a small emergency cushion. If you're struggling, look into balance transfer offers or a personal loan to consolidate at a lower rate. Every dollar you save on interest is a dollar you can redirect into your future. Here's another overlooked saving strategy: tax advantages. Most people don't realize how much money they lose by not using tax-advantaged accounts. If your employer offers a 401k match, that's free money. If you qualify for a Roth IRA, your future withdrawals are tax-free. Health savings accounts, or IAs, are another hidden gem. They let you save pre-tax, grow tax-free, and spend tax-free on medical expenses. Using these accounts isn't just about retirement. It's about saving smarter today while keeping more of your money tomorrow. Lifestyle choices also play a huge role in financial freedom. For example, transportation costs can eat up a massive chunk of income. Before you upgrade to a new car with a hefty monthly payment, ask yourself, does it actually move you closer to financial freedom? Driving a reliable used car, or even using public transit when possible, can save thousands every year. The same goes for housing. Downsizing, finding a roommate, or refinancing at a better rate can free up huge amounts of cash for savings. One of the most powerful saving strategies for 2025 is leveraging technology. Apps like Mint, YNB, or Empower can help you track, budget, and even negotiate bills automatically. Some apps even invest your spare change into diversified portfolios. Technology makes saving so much easier today, you just have to take advantage of it. Now, here's a tip that doesn't get talked about enough: increasing your income as a saving strategy. You can only cut so much from your expenses, but your earning potential has no ceiling. A side hustle, freelance work, or upskilling in your career can bring in hundreds or thousands in extra income. And if you commit to saving or investing 100% of that extra money, you'll accelerate your path to financial freedom. Before we wrap this up, let me share one more mindset shift that can change everything. Saving money isn't about deprivation. It's not about saying no to everything fun. It's about saying yes to your future. Every dollar you save is buying you freedom, peace of mind, and choices. When you look at it that way, saving doesn't feel like a punishment, it feels like empowerment. So let's recap. Automate your savings. Use high-yield accounts. Budget smart, not painfully. Cut hidden costs like subscriptions. Attack debt aggressively. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Be mindful with lifestyle choices. Leverage technology. Grow your income. And most importantly, shift your mindset so saving feels like building a better future, not restricting your present. If you put even a few of these strategies into practice, you'll be ahead of most Americans in 2025. Financial freedom is possible, but it starts with smart saving today. Thank you for spending time with me here on USA Finance Hub. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a friend who wants to take control of their money. Together, we can create a generation that's financially strong and free. And remember, your money should be working for you, not the other way around. Stay smart, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.